Moving on, our next team is Morpheus Labs, and they are from the Web 3.0 industries. Everyone, let's put our hands together and welcome him while he joins me on stage. You have 3 minutes. Jumpstart your dreams now.
Hi, everyone. My name is Pei Han, founder of Morpheus Labs. Sorry, too bright. Okay. So imagine there's actually no low-code development platform. What will happen to you? You'll be actually spending minimum 3 months to create a very simple website, and also maybe around 1 year to deploy your e-commerce platform. Okay, but luckily we have Shopify and WordPress to actually shortcut all this. However, it's no longer a pattern. It's actually more like an equation or formula that a low-code development platform must exist to help Web3 to go main adoption. Especially as we see over here projected that Web3 development costs in next few years, yearly expenses will actually reach about $69 billion globally. Taking as a reference, Singapore itself will actually spend about $2.6 billion on blockchain development. However, there are actually 90% of enterprise fail in implementing blockchain. Why? First of all, we all know there are so many blockchain layer 1, layer 2. It's so confusing. Second, there are actually a lot of these small tools, silo, scattered around. We don't know which one to use. And that is the reason why of our product. We are actually a one-stop Web3 development platform cater for you to help you build faster. We have 3 main categories: solution templates, AI-powered coding and development platform and tools, and also cross-chain capability. So taking AI smart contract generated, for example, we are using AI to help you design, develop, and test and deploy very fast. Instead of a few days to create one smart contract, just within a few hours, you can actually churn out a lot of smart contracts. This is actually one of our customer use case. From about $65,000 initially, they reduced to $25,000. And also from 2 months, using our platform reduced to 10 days. So for the traction itself, for past few years, we have more than 200% customer count growth, more than 200 projects implemented using our platform. And also for the past 2 years, we are profitable. Each year, we have more than $1 million. So it's actually co-founded by me. I'm a serial entrepreneur, exit my previous startup. Also joined me is actually Dorio. He was a global chief information officer from UniCredit Bank. And also Bruce, he was actually a senior architect from IBM. Before we co-found this project, we actually have 100 project implementation experiences. So why us? Globally, I think at least in APAC, we are the only development platform, Web3 development platform of these brands. Of course, Alibaba Cloud. We are actually proud to be their former partner to help them on, and all these partners help them on core product creation, integration on Web3, and also joint business and marketing creations. So if you are actually interested and you believe Web3 is inevitable, and you also see what we see, the key is actually a low-code development platform.
Please wrap up.
Join us.
Thank you very much. Judges, please.
Welcome. Any question?
Hi, this is...
Sorry, go ahead. Sorry, go ahead. Please.
Hi, this is Johnny Yun from MTR Lab. Can you tell me more about who are your target customers and what your go-to-market strategy?
Hi, Johnny. Actually, I think last year we went to MTR to share about blockchain adoption. Yeah. So our target audience, we have 2. The user itself is actually developers or citizen developers. Anybody who has a minimum coding experience, they are able to use. But that's actually user. But our payer are actually categorized into a few. One is actually like a software development house, innovation lab, system integrator, startups. So as long as the company will need to pay to use applications such as like WordPress or Shopify. The next level, when they want to go into Web3, they need to use us. So it's actually an equivalent, similar business model, just that it's actually a different product.
Hi, this is Jeff from HSBC. I would like to follow up on that question. Well, first of all, can you share with us your current key use case? You mentioned e-commerce just now. Are there any channel partners that you have already identified? And what are the other key use cases that you will be focusing on?
Okay, sorry. Okay, so these are actually our channel partners. We do a product integration and go to market with them for especially on the Web3 part. So, taking example, Alibaba has a cloud computing. So we are actually integrating together to go to market to sell this joint solution. So whenever customer after use our platform to create, you immediately onboard onto Alibaba Cloud seamlessly. So like other channel partners, these are all technical integration. So it's actually a combined have a skin in the game for them to sell us. Example, I think all these brands, most of them have a note service, or maybe they have some example, maybe audit service. So it's actually an integrated service to go to market. Some of the use cases, example, recently we have a ESG, the trending one, actually introduced by PwC Singapore, they are customer, use our platform to create a ESG solution. At the same time, we actually have ESG also from German, Europe side, to use our platform to create NFT carbon trading in Europe side. Yeah, so that's actually one of the use cases. Other popular use cases is actually like a Tencent. We are working with them as well on gamification and also game analytics. Yeah, so these are actually some of the use cases as well.
Any other questions from our judges?
Or maybe my defense mode. So usually, if no question, I'll just share something. So for us, the difference for us and competitor is that our design of our product is actually open framework. It means that since day one, we want to be very easy to integrate with different tech partners because we know that the market is so big, we cannot easily ourselves to absorb all. So we want to work with a lot of partners very easily to plug in their solution to go to market together. So to me, that's actually the easier way to leverage on a partner's strength. So that's actually the key difference. The second key difference is that most of our competitors are in Europe and US, quite common. Yeah, Asia is always a little bit slow behind. So what they focus is always developers. But to us, we understand developers is unlikely to pay initial stage. So our focus is totally different. We are focusing on SME and enterprise so that we can curate a lot of use cases. And from these use cases, they are able to hire more developers. So it's a chicken and egg. We are aiming for entry into enterprise SME first. Thank you.
Any final questions from our judges?
Hi. May I ask you a question? You know, this year, Gen AI is the top of the list for everyone. So do you see it's a disruption or it's an opportunity for what you're doing right now? How are you going to make use of Gen AI to make you jump faster?
It's an opportunity. So example, one of our product is actually built on AI, using AI to help you develop different coding and also different applications. Example, you just type, I want to build an ESG blockchain. So that our AI's component will actually help you design, code, develop, and test, and deploy. So we have a video. If happy to come approach, so I can show you video. So it's actually an assistant and help us on the value. Example for me.
Time's up.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.